Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to change website name on Squarespace. The first thing you need to do is tap on Edit in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap right where you see the website name or logo, and you will see the option Edit Site Header. You're going to tap on that. After selecting that, you will see a menu option pop up on the right hand corner, and you are going to tap right where you see site title and logo, and from here you will see site title, and you can simply change the name right here to whatever you want, for example right there. And after you're finished, you'll simply press on back. Then you're going to select Done in the top left hand corner and select Save, and that's it. That's how to change website name on Squarespace. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.